Let's see how to convert numbers to text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the first step is to type out our number in number form. So let's say that we want to convert this number into text, 162. Now highlight that text, click Control F9 on your keyboard, and your text should be enclosed in these curly brackets right here. Now follow along, type equal sign. Now head on over to the right, click backslash. Now click on asterisk and type card text. And now right-click your highlighted text and click on Update Field. And that should turn your number into words. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.